Hello students, welcome to our APS classes, and as all we know that this is our foundation course especially for the students from 8th, 9th, 10th, plus 1 and plus 2. And dear students, in our today's video we will discuss about the most expected and important questions regarding the CBSE exam, that is March 2022, and these most expected and important questions are from the chapter, and the name of the chapter is Microorganisms, Friends and Foe. So let us start with our most important accepted questions, especially for the class 8th. तो सबसे पहले बेटे आज जो हम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं चैप्टर नंबर 2, और जो नेम है चैप्टर का दैट इज माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स, फ्रेंड्स एंड फो. अब माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, सबसे पहले तो बेटे हमें ये जानना है कि माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते क्या हैं. माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर वेरी स्मॉल लिविंग थिंग्स एंड वेरी स्मॉल लिविंग germs that cannot be seen with the help of a naked eye, but we can see only with the help of a special type of instrument, and that instrument is known as microscope. That means with the help of microscope we can see these small microorganisms, and these are very small in size. And microorganisms, how can we say that these are friends and foe? तो microorganisms जो है वो एक तरह से बेटे हमारे friends भी हैं और एक तरह से हमारे ये क्या है, foe भी है. friends, कई जगहों पर ये माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स जो होते हैं वो दैट आर वेरी बेनिफिशियल टू द ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. ह्यूमन बीइंग्स के लिए काफी अच्छे तरीके से जो होते हैं वो बेनिफिशियल होते हैं, पर कई जगहों पर ये जो है हमारे लिए हार्मफुल भी होते हैं. तो इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड हम इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जो है वो आज आपके साथ डिस्कस करेंगे. सो द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर इज माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स, फ्रेंड्स एंड foe. This is the name of the chapter, and most expected and important questions regarding the CBSE 2022. So beta, let us start with our important questions from the chapter that is microorganisms, friends and foe. ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस है, ऑब्जेक्टिव बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस है, एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस है. इसमें हम मैच द कॉलम एज वेल एज फिलिप्स भी डिस्कस करेंगे आपके साथ. तो हमारा जो आज का पैटर्न है वो 3 हिस्सों में डिवाइडेड है. दिस पैटर्न इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स. वन इज द एमसीक्यू बेस्ड और ऑब्जेक्टिव बेस्ड पैटर्न, सेकंड वन इज द fill in the blanks, and the third one is match the column. So let us start with our MCQ questions or objective questions, and your first question is multiple choice question, and the question is yeast is used in the production of. Yeast is used in the production of. Yeast, what do you mean by the term yeast? Yeast is used for making bread rise. Yeast is used for bread rise as well as it is used in the production of beer, wine, etc. So this is the yeast that is specially used for the bread rise as well as it is also used in the production of wine, beer, etc. So here beta, yeast is used in the production of. Options are sugar, second one is alcohol, third one is hydrochloric acid, and the fourth one is oxygen. अभी मैंने आपको बताया कि yeast is used for bread rise as well as it is also used for making beer, wine, etc. तो yeast जो है बेटे इसको स्पेशली हम जिस प्रोडक्शन के लिए यूज करते हैं, शुगर के प्रोडक्शन के लिए यूज नहीं किया जाता है. इट इज स्पेशली यूज फॉर द ब्रेड राइस. हम इसको हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड के लिए भी यूज नहीं कर सकते, नॉट इन द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. इवन yeast is not used in the production of oxygen, but yeast is used in the production of alcohol. Yeast is used in the production of alcohol. So this is the right answer. Your second question is the following is an antibiotic. अब एंटीबायोटिक होते क्या हैं? आपके पास एंटीबायोटिक्स दिए गए हैं, तो एंटीबायोटिक्स होते क्या है? सबसे पहले आपको एंटीबायोटिक का मीनिंग जो है वो समझना जरूरी है. एंटीबायोटिक, अ मेडिसिन व्हिच इज यूज्ड फॉर a medicine which is used for curing infectious diseases. infectious diseases को क्योर करने के लिए जिस मेडिसिन का यूज किया जाता है that is known as antibiotic. So the following is an antibiotic. First option is sodium bicarbonate. Either it is an antibiotic or not. Second one is streptomycin. Third one is alcohol, and fourth one is yeast. तो बेटे अल्कोहल, तो भी मैंने आपको बताया कि अल्कोहल जो है ईस्ट दैट इज यूज्ड फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ बियर, वाइन एटसेट्रा। तो हम ईस्ट जो है इसको किसकी प्रोडक्शन के लिए यूज करते हैं? अल्कोहल की प्रोडक्शन के लिए यूज करते हैं। तो एंटीबायोटिक नहीं हो सकता है अल्कोहल। ईस्ट जो है इट इज यूज्ड फॉर ब्रेड राइस एज वेल एज फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ बियर, वाइन एटसेट्रा। तो ये भी आपका एंटीबायोटिक नहीं हो सकता है। Sodium bicarbonate is again not an antibiotic, but here the antibiotic is streptomycin. Streptomycin is an antibiotic. So here this is the right answer. So out of these, streptomycin acts as an antibiotic. Now third question, and your third question is carrier of malaria causing protozoan. मलेरिया कॉजिंग प्रोटोजोन का मेन कैरियर क्या है? किसकी हेल्प से मलेरिया कॉजिंग प्रोटोजोन जो है वो एक्ट करता है? सो द मेन कैरियर ऑफ मलेरिया कॉजिंग प्रोटोजोन इज, ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं बेटे, फीमेल एनोफ्लीज मॉस्किटो, कॉकरोच, हाउस फ्लाई एंड बटरफ्लाई। सो आउट ऑफ दीज व्हिच इज द मेन कैरियर ऑफ मलेरिया कॉजिंग प्रोटोजोआ? तो मलेरिया कॉजिंग प्रोटोजोआ का जो मेन कैरियर है बेटे वो आपका कॉकरोच इज नॉट अ कैरियर ऑफ द मलेरिया कॉजिंग प्रोटोजोआ। हाउस फ्लाई इज नॉट अ कैरियर ऑफ द मलेरिया कॉजिंग प्रोटोजोआ, whereas house fly is the carrier of the communicable diseases, and butterfly is again not a carrier of malaria causing protozoan. But here the female anopheles mosquito is the Malarian causing protozoan. ये कैरियर है, it is a carrier of malaria causing protozoan and the carrier is female anopheles mosquito. So here your next question is question number 8. Which organisms causes cold and flu? By which organisms the infections such as cold and flu caused? Microorganisms. Such type of microorganisms are virus, fungus, bacteria and protozoa. So out of these microorganisms, which organisms causes cold and flu? Either with the help of viruses, either with the help of fungus, bacteria as well as protozoa. So here beta, viruses are the only organisms which causes cold and flu. With the help of viruses, cold and flu are to be caused. So viruses is the right answer. Virus. So with the help of virus, these symptoms such as cold and flu are to be caused. Now shift to the question number 9, and your question number 9 is which microorganisms causes typhoid and TB? So name the organism that causes typhoid as well as TB. Options: virus, B bacteria, C fungus and D protozoa. So microorganisms are categorized into different types such as bacteria, virus, fungus, protozoan, and bacteria. All these are the various types of the microorganisms. So which type of the organisms causes typhoid and TB? Virus is not caused typhoid and TB because viruses causes cold and flu. Fungus is not again causes typhoid and TB. Protozoa is not causes typhoid and TB because protozoan causes malaria. So here bacteria causes typhoid and TB. So here this is the right answer. Now shift to the question number 10, and your question number 10 is lactobacillus bacteria causes AIDS, helpful to make curd, fermentation and helpful in making bread. तो अब हमें पता है बेटे कि fermentation is the process where there is a conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as fermentation. Helpful in making bread, that is the process of yeast. In this process, it is used for making bread rice as well as used for the production of beer and wine, etc. And causes AIDS, lactobacillus bacteria not causes the AIDS. Here lactobacillus bacteria helpful to make curds, helpful to make curd, helpful to make curd. So here this is the right answer. So here beta we complete the first part, that is your MCQ based or objective questions, And now we shift to our second part, and your second part is related with your fill in the blanks. This is the second part. That part is related with the fill in the blanks. And your first question is microorganisms can be seen with the help of a. इससे पहले भी मैंने आपके साथ डिस्कस किया कि microorganisms are very small organisms that cannot be seen with the help of a naked eye, but they can be seen with the help of a special type of instrument, and that type of instrument is known as microscope. This is the right answer. Now shift to the second part. Blue-green alga fix dash directly from air to enhance the fertility of the soil. Blue-green alga fix dash directly from the air to enhance the fertility of the soil. So blue-green alga fix nitrogen directly from the air to enhance the fertility of the soil. So जो आपके blue-green alga है ये directly क्या करते हैं, फिक्स करते हैं नाइट्रोजन को फ्रॉम द एयर टू एनहांस द फर्टिलिटी ऑफ द सॉइल. थर्ड इज अल्कोहल इज प्रोड्यूस्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ ईस्ट. अल्कोहल जो है इट इज स्पेशली प्रोड्यूस्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ ए ईस्ट, बिकॉज ईस्ट बाय दिस प्रोसेस इट इज यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग ब्रेड राइस एंड यूज्ड इन द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ अल्कोहल एंड वाइन. Cholera is caused by, so cholera is caused by bacteria. Cholera is caused by bacteria. Now, malaria is caused by female Anopheles mosquito. Female Anopheles mosquito. So there are 5 fill in the blanks related with your section B. Microorganisms can be seen with the help of a microscope. Blue-green alga fix nitrogen directly from the air to enhance the fertility of the soil. Third is alcohol is produced with the help of a yeast. Fourth one is cholera is caused by bacteria, and the last one is malaria is caused by female Anopheles mosquito. Now shift to the third part, and your third part is match the columns. Match the column 1 with column 2. There are 2 columns, that is column 1 and column 2. That means you have to match the column 1 with the column 2. In column 1, there are 6 options: bacteria, rhizobium, lactobacillus, yeast, protozoan and virus. Whereas in column 2, fixing nitrogen, setting of curd, baking of bread, causing malaria, causing cholera, causing AIDS, and the last one is producing antibodies. Bacteria. So here bacteria matched with causing cholera. Rhizobium fixing nitrogen. Lactobacillus setting of curd. Yeast baking of bread. Protozoan causing cholera. Protozoan causing malaria. Not cholera but causing yeast. It is used for baking bread. Protozoan causing malaria. Virus causing AIDS. So bacteria causing cholera. Rhizobium fixing nitrogen. Lactobacillus setting of curd. Third. Yeast baking of bread. Fourth. Protozoan causing malaria. Fifth. Virus causing AIDS. Sixth. So this is the correct matching of column 1 with column 2. So here beta we complete important expected and important questions related with class 8 regarding your subject, that is science subject for CBSE March 2022. नेक्स्ट बेटे हम आपकी नई वीडियो के साथ जो है वो दोबारा आपसे मिलेंगे. सो वंस अगेन गुड नाइट टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट.